Alright, so we are rolling up on a fellow Tundra, another second gen down here. I think it is just two-wheel drive, so you know. It actually looks like we have two Tundras, guys. That's hilarious. Hey!
That thing blew a clutch and won't move. You can't.
Look at this Tundra. Beautiful.
Called you, but I'm gonna need help too, obviously.
Okay, gotcha. Let me take care of him.
Alright.
Here you go, guys. Two second gen Tundras. Back to back. What's up, man? I gotcha. Alright, let's take a look. Alright. Oh. What was your name?
Billany.
What was it?
Billany.
Billany? John, nice to meet you, man. Alright. Do you mind if I take a look?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, so you got it on.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we can try and do as a last ditch effort, me and him are willing to help try and push. If not, then I'll hook it up and we can pull you out of here.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. We're gonna do a 3, 2, 1. So I'll give you a countdown and then we'll push. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Watch that pole. Oh, he's just spinning already. Alright, stop. Turn the wheel straight. Try and pull forward. Turn it straight. Not turn. Straight. Yep, just try and creep it. Go ahead. Alright. Yep, stop. Stop. Alright, first of all, stop gunning it hard and braking hard because it sinks you.
Okay.
You got to stay on top. You got to roll nice and easy, okay? So what we're going to try and do is go back again. Wheel straight at first. If you get moving, keep it on top and try and get into that parking spot, and then you can turn around.
Okay.
All right? Stop. What was I just saying? You guys stay on top. Yes. You're just gunning it.
Yes.
All right, I'm just gonna have to pull you out. Look, so what'll probably be easiest, honestly, is to just pull you in a big U-turn and then bring you back down by the ramp.
Okay.
But what I'd do is I'd hook a bridle up to the front, and like I said, we'd bring it around in the U-turn here, and I'd bring you back down onto the hard sand by the ramp. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm torn if I want to run a bridle or just run off that one point. I think we'll be fine off the one tow point as long as he leaves slack on the line. So here, just take this in the 30 foot. So look, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a nice easy bump. I'm gonna readjust and I'm gonna come kind of at an angle here to 45. I want you to turn that wheel to the driver's side towards me. It'll come up and move, and we're gonna come around him on the other side with some momentum, and then we'll go down over by the ramp, okay? All right. And just try and don't come up on me. You wanna leave tension on the line so it doesn't come up under your truck. Okay. So just give it a little bit of gas to help me out, okay?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and turn that wheel. Right, a little bit more. Right about there. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Did you get a call? He called me too.
They said he can't come in.
Yeah, I don't know if you would have made it down there. It gets soft down there. I don't know if you would have made it. It starts to get like that, but I didn't know he had called y'all too.
No, no, actually my insurance called it just to be wouldn't do it.
I see.
Yeah. Yo, you a Marine?
My father.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. All right, man. You have a great day, all right? I guess his insurance called Universal, but they don't come down here. All right, guys. That's 1 gen Tundra up on the concrete. Now we're going back to the second gen Tundra. Oh my goodness, that's like a tongue twister. Hold on. Our second gen Tundra. There we go. We'll get him out. All right, cool. So we're just gonna.
Never know that would sound great.
Fair enough. Well, it's like half price, so I guess it's not too bad, right? But yeah, we'll get it hooked up to the front just like his. I'll give it an easy bump, and we'll just bring it down there up onto the concrete.
So
Okay.
I just go. I keep it in drive.
Yep. Keep the wheel straight with me, and you'll just be giving it a little bit of gas.
Okay.
Let me do most of the work, just helping a little bit. Yeah. Especially these Tundras, you know, they're heavy. When you're two-wheel drive and you're on a thin tire, it's like pizza cutters.
Turn around and go back the way I came, but I didn't
Yeah.
realize how bad it got.
Yeah, yeah, it's well, and the traffic through here is what really has gnarled it up.
Yeah.
It's just been getting worse and worse because this is such a popular spot, you know.
I think in the future
But-
I'm just gonna park on the cement.
Yeah, or would I recommend? Fair, but if you go down to Silver Beach, that might have been where you came on at. If you go right, it gets better. This side gets worse.
Probably was worse.
Yeah, but all right. Thank you for your service. What was your name?
Jason,
Jason. John. Nice to meet you, man. Make sure you rinse it off, all right?
rinse it off.
Yeah, just all because the sand gets up under there.
Okay.
Some people, you know, forget that sand will eat it away, especially these Toyotas, you know. So
You take it through the car wash.
yeah, you sometimes they have undercarriage washes, but it's still good to just hit it with a hose under there. You know what I mean?
All right, thanks.
Yep.
Hopefully I never see you again.
Fair enough. Have a good one. Well, guys, got a 4Runner trying to yank on the side. Yo, that's kind of a cool Tundra. Over here. Hey, sweet Toyota, baby.
Yeah, that thing blew a clutch and won't move. You can pull it all the way since up by the tower, but you can't get it anymore. So it won't move, man. Big trying, big blowing up.
How you doing, man?
Good, by yourself.
Good, brother.
Like the Toyota.
Thank you. We got 5 of them.
Hell yeah, dude. And all them bronze TRD rims, that's sweet,
I'll give you
man.
a car when we're done. Could you pull him across the street? This way across the street? His clutch went out.
Well, this is the lifeguard
Oh,
ramp.
he
I
says
told him
fine.
you can go through to Pizza Hut over there, so you can
Okay.
Get to go. You can't
Okay.
get towed from my lot, but it's easier for you to go up there and go.
Yeah, I can get them up on the concrete up here, but then you'd have to have a regular tow truck flatbed come get them from there.
Yeah, of course. Just across the street from the.
Well, I don't know if I can cross the street. I mean, we can try. I can. If
got
you're saying I need to get him across the street so he's not sitting in your lot. Okay. Yeah, we can get it. I can figure out how to get it across the street. Have you tried pulling it? Oh, you already tried?
I'm not heavy enough.
Okay.
Not heavy enough to.
All right. Sounds good.
You can just make
Whose
some
Tundra is it? Is his?
He's my brother.
Okay. Sounds good. Let me get up here and get hooked up to it. Okay.
You want to just make synthetic?
No, I got one. Well, we got Yankums.
Okay.
Right.
You've been trying for like half an hour. I told him, he hasn't been moving.
Yeah.
Right there. He's than tearing up our lane.
Hopefully I won't tear up it too much.
I mean, you do it, it's alright.
Fair enough.
He's just, yeah, I'll send you a video. I'll send you a video.
Dude, I can smell the clutch.
I thought it caught fire. It was smoking. I thought it caught fire.
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
This thing's nice, man. Smells.
Yeah.
It's rolling all right in neutral though. It's not dragging.
Yeah, it's cautious way up.
Okay. All right. What were you hooked up to? All right. What's up?
You need anything from me? Stuff for you, that game for you more? Like,
Yeah, probably. Just so we don't have to worry about it. Smells like clutch, I'll tell you what. All right, can you turn the wheel a little bit? A little bit more, right about there. And we'll come, just make sure you get around that trash can, okay? That's awesome.
Like SandTow's usually always here.
Thank you. We love it. All right, obviously you can't give it gas or anything, so just try and keep that wheel straight with me. If we get it going, we'll bring it up and we'll stop up on the concrete, go from there. Wish me luck. Ugh. Tundra saving its little brother. Not gonna lie, man, that thing is it's nice. Oh no, she's done. Nice, nothing. But of course. All right, so you need to get it across the street. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna hook up a flat strap to it, so we don't have to worry about dragging the kinetic, and I'll just pull you. We can get your brother or someone to clear the road, and we'll crawl it across the street. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm thinking, what's the move? I'm probably just gonna tree strap it across the street. right, he's gonna escort us across the street. So just keep it straight with me. You know, just don't, you know how to drag brake, just don't brake hard, but just kind of keep the line taut, you know what I mean? Okay, here we go. You know. Cool. Yep. Wow. Were you doing cash or am I getting it from him?
Cash.
Yeah, these things are awesome, man. I love these rigs. I love the colorway on that one. Is awesome.
We have a shop in Orlando.
Really? Hell yeah.
We got a few trucks.
It's like a Toyota shop?
It's all brands.
Okay. But you guys mostly have Toyotas?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. They're great, aren't they?
I do an event every 2 years.
Hell yeah.
Last year was 2,500 people.
Hell yeah, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah, I do a big ass trail.
Hell yeah, that's awesome, man. Out of where? Oh, in Orlando? Or you guys go to Ocala? It is hot.
My last event was in Waimama. Waimama by Tampa. Small town. It was a 150-acre park.
Hell yeah, that's awesome. Here we go. Sweet, thanks. Yeah, and look us up, SandTow. We're on all platforms. We'll post this stuff up.
I see you.
Oh yeah, sweet man. Look at this Tundra. Beautiful. The bronze steelies. I love that front bumper. I don't know if I've seen that before. Worn Ram. Have you guys seen that? It's pretty funny. Alright guys, you have a great day. Okay, be blessed. She's out.